In this video I'm going to show you how I get rid of marker stains before I paint. If you have marker stains on your walls, you'll have to seal them before you can paint. Even if you use a latex primer, the marker will bleed through the paint. Here I've primed with a coat of primer and you can see that it's bled through. Now there are oil-based stain blockers out there. There are some stain blocking spray paints, but they're a little expensive. What I like to use is this $3 flat white spray paint from Rust-Oleum. I like using it because it's very easy to spray. It dries very quickly. You can sand it. It's cheaper. You don't have to use a paintbrush or a roller, which means that's one more thing you don't have to clean up. All you have to do is spray the area that's stained. Wait 5 minutes or so for it to dry. Sand it if you need to, and then paint. You want to make sure the paint is flat. You don't want to use semi-gloss paint or gloss paint. If you use gloss paint, the paint you use to cover it may peel or flake in the future. If it doesn't look like it's covering, give it a second coat. Once it's dry, you're ready for paint, and it will not bleed through. I like to use this spray paint for any other stains that may be showing through. After I prime with the regular wall primer, if it's showing through, I'll spray it with this spray paint, and then I know it's sealed. This also works well with water stains. Not sure what this was bleeding through the wall, but the spray paint took care of it. I also made a video on repairing torn drywall with the same brand of spray paint. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when I post a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching.